Welcome to KZR. It's time to show you how you can fix DirectX 11 feature level 10 is required to run the engine. This is the most common error and will be easily fixed. If you want more videos like this, then hit the red button to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a new video update from my channel. As when I open a required program, it will show me this error: DirectX 11 feature level 10 is required to run the engine. This is because you are using any of the emulator of DirectX 11 or your Windows graphics driver is unable to support the DirectX 11 version. For this, you need to install the updated Windows 10 to latest version, update your graphics driver and install the latest DirectX version. I will show you step by step, and all of the links are given in the description below. In the first site, I am going to show you how you can download and install Windows 10. Scroll down below at this site and you can see there are the 4 Windows 10: Standard, N Edition, KN Edition and Single Language. You have to download the standard one. Click on the standard one and you will be redirected to next page. From here you can choose 32-bit version or 64-bit version. You can choose any one of it and scrolling down you can see there is an international language which is English one, and in front of it in the second row download, click on 64 or 86 which you want to download, then click on download to start your download. As you can see, this is the ISO file which is 4 GB. Now you can save the file, and when it will be saved, go to Rufus and download this software. Now when it will be downloaded, open it up. Now when you see page like this, click on this image file and select the ISO file which you have downloaded. Then click on start to burn your USB with Windows 10 latest version, and when it will be burned successfully, you can install the window from the bootloader. And when you have successfully installed the latest window, now go to the driver section. So from here you can choose your graphics driver manually, or you can click on this graphics driver to update your driver automatically with the GeForce Experience. You need to download it, and when it will be downloaded, log in with your Google account or the Nvidia account, and it will automatically update your driver to the latest version. Now when you have successfully installed the latest version driver, restart your PC, then go to the DirectX version. From the Microsoft original site, you have to download the latest version of the DirectX. From here, click on the download button, then click on the second one if you want the antivirus. If you do not, then only click on the first one and click on next. Now from here a pop-ups come out to save your file, and now when it will be successfully downloaded, click to open it and accept the agreement. Click on next and next to install the latest version of DirectX into your PC. Now click on finish to finish the download and installation process. When you have installed all of the 3 things, now restart your PC finally. And now when you have restarted your PC, now open up the application in which you are experiencing the error, and this time there is no error in this APK. So this is the really easy fix. If you have any other error in your PC, comment down below and send me the screenshot of the error, and I will find a fix for you as soon as possible. Like, comment and share. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. See you in the next.